Now let's search for pork rice. See if we get 6. Yep, so 6 is there. It doesn't highlight it. So what we can do is we can add a kind of a data grid view highlight. Now I can't quite remember. Is there a highlight? Is there a select? Selected row. Select next control. Select. What does that do? I don't think it does anything. What do we got here? We don't really need it. Oh yeah, I should check whether I can add orders. Let me go to beef rice. And then see if I can add, yeah, so it's fine. It just doesn't select it. So if we want to select a row, we can go data grid view dot, sorry, menu dot, so we want a row, right? We've got rows, and we access the index, the current row, dot rows, or just, oh, hang on, it is rows. This is GV, this is rows. Dot, I selected here, equals to true. All right, let's try that. Let's search for beef rice, and there you go. Okay, so we're pretty much finished the SAC. Let's just scroll through the SAC to see if there's anything else that's missing, or rather anything else that I should cover. So we've done that. We've done the save all orders to the XML files. We've saved it to. We didn't save the XML file. We did save the actual bill. What we could do is in the save file, give her a date. When do we save it? In customer form, when we request the bill, we do the save here. So this bill.txt, what we could do is add the now button. So we'll generate the date as well. So what we can do is we can go file name equals to bill, but we will add the actual date time as well to the bill. But now two strings, see how that works. So see if that is dot and then plus dot txt. See if that makes it more unique. So now we'll put file name in here and file name in here. So we'll request a bill. Oh, it doesn't like these symbols, so we can't use that. There's something else we could use. Maybe we can use today, but then that won't give us multiple orders on the day, right? So today is not really a good. But what we could do is today plus some kind of order amount, and we just give order amount, and every time we make an order we just add 1 to it. So every time we do this, we'll add 1 to the order amount. Order plus equal 1. And we can use order amount here. Plus. So we can put today. Let's just check that. What's the issue here? It's not happy with that. You know what? Don't worry about the date causing us issues. We just use order amount. String. Alright. And I need to toString this order. Alright, so order 0 and then order 1, order 2, so we got a different order, so that's fine. Oh yeah, that's right, I should add some validation to any text boxes that I'm using, which is this one. I should validate that. So set amount accesses that, so here I should validate it over here. So I gotta check if text amount dot text is string dot empty. Should give them some feedback. Message box, don't leave empty. And let's check for its data type. We want it to be a number. If is numeric, if numeric, we want to text amount dot text. We want to keep going, else we need to say please ensure they numbers. Please ensure, it doesn't make sense, but doesn't matter. And then finally we want to check if the number is too small or too high. No, too small, we don't want it less than 0. So if the value of txt_amount.text is less than 0, because we can't go less than 0. We can go anything more than 0, but can't go less than 0. We were given an if statement saying must be greater than 1. And if that's all true, we will shove this into here. Else if all of this is true, we'll do that. Else we'll default it to the amount from the list, from the actual menu. I don't need dim amount again. So what happens is, this is my default. I'll take it from the menu. But if it passes all of these, it will take it from the text box instead, and the amount will change. Else your amount will just be that, be whatever's in the menu. So now amount shouldn't go less than 1. And the decrement on this thing shouldn't be less than 1 either, but I'll let you do the decrement yourself. Let's have a look at our stack again. Checkout we've done, set order. We've done pretty much everything here. Yep. We'll make sure that every form is this size. So should resize that. Oops, resize the wrong thing. And should try and fit everything into the form. Alright, beautiful. I should really make these buttons, you know, you get the idea. And that's the right size. Welcome's not the right size. We need to fix that. But anyway, you get the idea. There's one last issue though. Our menu page, our pictures aren't loading correctly, so I need to fix that one. Our pictures aren't loading properly here, see? So we need to fix that.